Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I crochet such a cute small paw charms. So we are going to need some yarn. I use loop and threads with Snuggle Light in pink and white colors. Also hook 6 millimeters, scissors, lighter, plastic needle, and a little stuffing. So we start with the magic ring of 6, and I start with the white yarn that is going to be inside. So we need to have each row, we need to start since the beginning. That's why I'm going to cut along a part of the yarn. So it's enough for me for 2 rows because I need only 2 rows in this color. And I do this not to cut the yarn, but to continue with it. But we need to close this row. So we go to the next loop and we just close it. And back to the previous loop. Now I have this yarn and I can start the second row. Row number 2, we make increasing 6 times, so we have 12 stitches in this row. And we start this row since the beginning. You can do the same way as I did, or you can just cut the yarn and start the new row. We finished with white color for now, and we need to cut the yarn and hide the ends. Make sure that you secure all the ends so it's not going to come out after. I usually make knot with the end that I have from the beginning. Now we need to take the other color of the yarn. In my case, it's pink. We can start anywhere. Row number 3. We make 2 single crochet increasing. We repeat it 6 times. We have 18 stitches in this row. And we continue the same way until the end of the row. Row number 4, we continue crocheting, and this row, it's not going to be through the whole round, it's going to be like half. So we start with increasing, and then we take one white yarn and we are going to make the pop stitch. So we keep the yarn on the hook, then we insert the hook inside and we pull out the yarn. We repeat it 4 times like that. Then we crochet it with the pink yarn. And again, next loop we make 2 increasing. It means 1 increase in 2 stitches in the same loop. And we repeat again with white yarn. We make pop stitch again. We need to make 4 times like this. So this is our second. We take the yarn on the hook, then we insert it inside, and we repeat it like this 4 times. And then crochet with pink yarn. And next one we have increasing. So we make 2 stitches in 1 loop. And we need to make 2 more. We finish this row. So now we can cut the yarn. It's going to be only half the row we need only from this side. We cut and white and pink yarns. And we continue with pink. We can start anywhere here, but I prefer start to the down part. And we crochet here only back loop. We have 24 stitches in this row. We make single crochet style, but we take back loop, and also we take one more loop that is here to create the side. So it should be here. I show you closer that we need to take another loop to make the row stronger and to make the side of the height of the charm. And we continue this way until the end of the row. Once we finish, we cut the yarn because we will need to start a new row again. That's how it looks like. Now we are going to make the back part of our charm. Row number 6, we use back loop only also, and we make decreasing 1 single crochet, and we repeat it 7 times. We have 14 stitches in this row. Row number 7, we make decreasing and we repeat it 7 times. So we have 7 stitches in this row. We almost finished and it's going to be one more row left, but before that we need to add a little stuffing. You can add it or not to make it more plushy and squishy, or just leave it without if you don't have one. Row number 8, we make decreasing. We repeat it 4 times and we will have like one more additional stitch, but then we just fast off all the loops or stitches that we are going to have at the end. We are finished already. We just need to hide the end of the yarn. We can use plastic needle for more comfortable to fast off the left loops and close our charm fully. This is our final result and I hope you enjoy it. The tutorial is pretty easy and fast, but at the same time it's very cute and nice. I hope you enjoy it and I'll be happy to see you in my next video. Bye bye.